Hello, good afternoon. Is this slide visible? Anyone, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what are the problems you have faced in the last lab class? Any problem you have faced while implementing Selenium ID? Okay, so how many of you have not submitted the assignments? Anybody else? I'll just check after this class. So that's why I'm asking, any problem have you felt? Okay. Okay, so okay, so now we'll see this other tool, Selenium, having four what components I have told. One is Selenium ID, Selenium RC, Selenium Webdriver, and Selenium Grid. Those things I have already discussed in the last class. I hope we have discussed my TS. They have taught you about ID. So next remaining RC and Webdriver. But for the grid, we require distributed environment. So we will not discuss grid. Okay. So these things, let us quickly recall about Selenium ID. You have already known. Selenium RC, the older version of Selenium. It works on multiple browsers that we have discussed in last class. In WebDriver is the new version of Selenium, whereas RC is the old version. This WebDriver and iPhone testing. We may not get time to do all. You can see yourself how Android applications and or how Android testing and iPhone testing can be performed using WebDriver. We will only discuss some of the preliminary things. Grid is used to run test cases parallelly on multiple machines and browsers. So this requires distributed environment. That's why grid will not discuss. We'll try to cover only RC and WebDriver in this class. Okay. So ID explanation we have already discussed in the last class. I'm skipping those things. We'll directly come to RC. Any problem you have faced last class, please tell. If no problem, then I'll move forward. In Selenium, the next component is Selenium Remote Control or Selenium RC. Let's see the different components of Selenium RC. There are two major components of Selenium RC. One, the Selenium server. Two, the client libraries. Let's see why Selenium server is used. Selenium server.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, are you on slide number 12?
No, it's 57.
Oh, okay, sir. Sir, in mine, sir, it is 12, sir.
Your case means? Where?
Sir, for us also, it's slide number 12 soon.
Slide number 12.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is on slide number 12, sir.
Some problem from last class. This is happening. Are you able to see slide number 56? Yes? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then is slide number 57 now you able to see?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Today, now we'll discuss Selenium remote control or Selenium RC. First, let us see what are the Selenium RC components, which components are used in Selenium RC. There are two major components in Selenium RC. One, the Selenium server. Second, the client libraries. Let's see what Selenium server does. Selenium server, which launches and kills the browsers. The Selenium server, it launches the different browsers and kills the different browsers. It interprets them. It interprets the browsers and it interprets and runs the Selenium commands. I'm sorry. So Selenium server, it interprets the different Selenium commands as well as it also runs the Selenium commands, which commands are passed from the test program. So the commands which are passed from the test program, so they are interpreted and they are run. These commands, these are interpreted and run by the Selenium server. This Selenium server acts as an HTTP proxy. Okay, the Selenium server, it acts as an HTTP proxy. It intercepts and verifies the HTTP messages. The Selenium server, it intercepts and verifies the different HTTP messages passed between the browser and the application under test. So which messages, HTTP messages are passed between the browser and the application under test AUT. So the Selenium server, it intercepts them, it verifies them, it acts as an HTTP proxy. Okay. Then what is the job of client libraries? What are the functions of client libraries? Client libraries, they provide the interface. Okay, client libraries provide the interfaces. Client libraries provide the interfaces between whom? Between each programming language and the Selenium RC server. So the client libraries, they will provide the interfaces between each programming language that you are using and the Selenium RC server. Let's see the architecture, how the architecture of Selenium RC looks like. So see, at the bottom the client library are there. Okay, at the bottom the client library are there. You can write the client libraries may be in Java or Ruby or Python or Perl or PHP or Net. So you can talk with this Selenium or the browsers through remote control server. So let me explain how does it work. First, the client libraries communicate with the server, passing each Selenium command for execution. So the client libraries, they will talk with the browsers. The client libraries communicate with the server. How? Each Selenium with the server passing each Selenium command for execution. So the client libraries who are at the bottom, they communicate with the remote server, remote control server. How? By passing what? By passing each of the Selenium command. Okay. So first, let's start from the bottom. The client libraries, they communicate with the server, passing each Selenium command for execution. Then what happens? Then the server passes the Selenium command. Then the server, what does it do? It passes the Selenium command to whom? It passes the Selenium command to the browser using the Selenium core JavaScript commands. You see here some Selenium core JavaScript commands are there for different browsers. The Explorer or some other server passing the Selenium command for execution. Then the server passes the Selenium command to whom? Then the server passes the Selenium command. This is the server. It passes the Selenium command to what? To the browsers. How? Using Selenium core JavaScript command. So these are the Selenium core JavaScript commands. Then the server passes those commands. The server passes the Selenium commands to the browser. To these browsers using what? Using the Selenium core JavaScript commands. Then what happens? Then the browser, what it will do, it has to execute the commands. Then the browser, it executes the Selenium command. How? Using its JavaScript interpreter. So every browser is having some JavaScript interpreter. So the browser, it executes the Selenium command sent from the server using its JavaScript interpreter. This runs the Selenium action or verification you specified in the test case. So the browser then this runs the Selenium action or the verification that you specified in your test script. Then let's see about what other actions Selenium server does. The Selenium server receives Selenium commands from where? I have already told you. The Selenium server receives Selenium commands from your test program. From your program, it receives. You can see where the server receives the commands from your program. These are the client libraries. So server, remote control server, it receives the what command from your program. Selenium server receives Selenium commands from your test program. Then it interprets those commands. Then it reports, the server reports back to your program the results of running those test cases. So what, after running those test cases, what is the result? What is the output? The report is sent back to your program. By whom? By the Selenium server.
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Yes.
same problem, sir. Sir, same problem. Slide 59, sir.
So now is it visible? Slide number 61.
Yes, sir, 61.
Okay. The Selenium server receives Selenium commands from your test program. It interprets them and your program. What result are getting by running so to your program by this Selenium server. The RC server bundles Selenium code and automatically injects into the browser. This remote control server, it bundles the Selenium code and automatically it injects it to the browser. You can see the code, it is automatically bound. The Selenium code is there, so it is automatically bound. The RC server bundles code and automatically injects it into the browser. This occurs when your test program opens the browser. So it automatically happens. It occurs when your test program opens the browser, and this is done in library. Code is a JavaScript program. Please remember, Selenium code is a JavaScript program. It is actually a set of JavaScript functions which interprets and executes different Selenium commands. So it interprets and executes the Selenium using the browser's built-in JavaScript interpreter. This browser is having an inbuilt JavaScript interpreter. So using the browser's the Selenium code is a JavaScript program. It is actually a set of Selenium code is a JavaScript program, actually a set of JavaScript functions which interprets and executes the different commands using the browser's built-in JavaScript interpreter. The server also receives what from where? From your test program. You have already seen server commands. You can see the server receives commands from the client, from your program. Server receives the Selenium commands from your test program using what? Using simple HTTP GET POST requests. This means you can use any programming language. Any programming language you can use, like Java, Perl, then this Ruby, Python, C Sharp, etc. This means you can use any programming language that can send HTTP request to automate Selenium test on the browser. Library level, the client
Sir.
library. So now,
Sir,
yes,
sir, again,
yes.
sir, slide 61, sir.
Yes.
I don't know, sir. Slide 60.
Okay, then I think otherwise you can stop actually the same problem. Otherwise, Pushkar is there. Pushkar, hello, Pratik is there?
Yes, sir. I'm here,
Not
sir.
there.
Yes,
Otherwise,
sir.
So can you just continue this thing, because in my end they are facing problem. I was checking this Selenium server.
Yes, yes, sir. I will, sir. Yes, sir.
Are with you. Otherwise, you just let me just take one more chance. Otherwise, you because this is,
Okay, sir.
I'm just taking one more thing.
Yes, sir.
One more time. So I have told the function of server. Let me quickly say the functions of libraries. Now we have finished the functions of Selenium. Now the functions of Selenium library. Client libraries, they provide programming support. They provide the programming support that allows you to run Selenium commands from a program of your own. Which the Selenium commands from your own program. Okay, within each programming function, the client library and then the processing to be for processing a specification or test, a specific action or test against the client, against the application on the test. I'm repeating again what is the important role of client. Selenium server or test consideration is what हाँ तब I will do. ସାଙ୍ଗେ କରିଦେବି ଅଧେ କହିକି କେମିତି ସାର୍ ହବ କହୁ ସାର୍ ତାଙ୍କୁ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ପଚାରୁଛି ଆଉ ସାର୍ ସେ ଅନୁସାରେ ଆମେ ହଁ ବୁଝିଲେ ସାର୍ ଲୋକ ମାନେ ଆଶିଷ ବେଳାକୁ ଦେଇକି ସରୋଜ ପଟେଲଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇକି କପି ସାର୍ तमने गोटे स्लाइड थिला तो कहि भी जानथि प्लस से पिला करन डंगर रे असला बे तो सुने रे ମାନେ 5 ମିନିଟ୍ ହେଇଗଲେ ବି ଜାଣିଛି 5 ମିନିଟ୍ ରହୁ ନହେଲେ ଅନ୍ୟ କୋଉଠି ନେଇକି ଯିବା ନା ନାଇଁ ମାନେ ଏଇଠି ନହେଲେ ଅନ୍ୟ ସେ କରୁ ନେଇକି 5 ମିନିଟ୍ ମୁଁ ପୁରା ଫିନିଶ ଦିସ୍ ଥିଙ୍ଗ शेयर कला माने कटि जाउछि anybody else can respond whether the slide is visible Paranand
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is
I'll
visible.
take only 5 minutes because your next problem is there is there so will carry out then this I am not in wrong class. I had already client libraries they provide program support that allows you to code design. Client library supported language. A Selenium client library provides a programming interface API, which is a set of functions. Okay. A Selenium client library provides a programming interface that is a set of functions which run Selenium commands from your own program. Within each interface, there is a programming function that supports each Selenium command. The client library takes a Selenium command and then it passes it to the Selenium server for processing a specific action or test against the application under test. The client library also receives the result of that command. After executing that command, what output is obtained, what result is obtained. The client library also receives the result of that command and then it passes it back to your program. Your program can receive the result and then it can store it into a program and report it as a success or failure. After the testing is over, that test process may lead to a successful result. So your program can report it as success or failure, or possibly it may take a corrective action if it was an unexpected error. So the program can receive the result or the output, and it can store program variable, and it can report it. Okay. Success or failure, or even possibly it may take some correction different functions of the server and the client libraries. Okay. Then next is installation steps for Selenium RC. Simple. All the steps I have written, it is already there in the, your Microsoft Teams. You can download. One report also I have uploaded. You can download. Now, Pushkar will continue how to install Selenium RC. They have to follow for Selenium applications in any RC that will be covered by Pushkar. Pratibha will also help. Okay. So Pushkar, please take over. Your net problem is there.
Yes, yes, sir.
Simple things. The details.
Yes, sir.
Screenshots, we have studies and assignments. Please proceed. If there is any problem, you can ask them. Thank you very much. After this, Selenium RC, then you try to cover Webdriver. Webdriver again simple. I have already uploaded this introduction and the installation steps. Then Pushkar, you may continue with Selenium Webdriver. First, you discuss. the Selenium will try. Okay, thank you very much. You please continue. Here lot of noise is there, internet issue are there. You please continue. Thank you very much. Any problem, you please call me. Okay, if any problem, you just call me. I'll be there online here.
Okay, sir. Is the voice audible to all?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. We will just proceed with the installation of the Selenium RC. Before proceeding, you need two things to install. First, you have to all install Eclipse. So everybody has got Eclipse, or we have to proceed with the installation of that. Okay, those who have the Eclipse, there is no problem. Those who don't have, connect to the Eclipse website and just download the Eclipse IDE first. The version should be 4.18.0. So everybody is able to see the screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have to install the Eclipse 1.1.1 for the Mozilla Firefox. You have to go. You can see on the screen that there is a link for downloading the Eclipse IDE. You have to download according to your RAM. If it is 4 GB, you can go for the 64 bit, or 32 bit will be optional for the 2 GB RAM.
So we have to download the same version. I have the version of 4.16 for Eclipse.
4.16.
Yeah, 4.16.
Not sure whether it will work or not, but it will be fine, no problem. Just check if it is not working, then you can go for the okay, you can go for the Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla Firefox only 27 version will be compatible. Other versions it will not work.
Sir, will it work with Google Chrome?
Sorry?
Will it work with Google Chrome?
No, it will not work. Everybody has got that Eclipse version. Or is still anyone downloading? For the case of Mozilla Firefox, I will put up a link that is from filepuma.com. You can download that version from there. It's around 25 MB. And Eclipse 4.18.0, you can go for the link. Installation is over. Whenever the installation of Eclipse and Mozilla Firefox over, you can hover to the meeting chat. I have put a link of the Google Drive. Just download that file.
Sir, it's requesting for access on the Google Drive.
Now you can all can try. Link is updated again. Possibly the same one, but restriction will not be there.
So now what we have to do with the jar files?
Installations are all.
Sir, I have downloaded the Selenium Webdriver software from your link. So what to do with the jar
Okay.
files?
Okay. Then proceed.
So there are 3 files after extracting.
Okay. Okay, everyone open command prompt.
Sir, using which JDK version we have to open these jar files?
No, wait. First open command prompt. You have to open the command prompt with admin privilege. Those are not able to follow, you can see like after clicking on run as administrator, you can have this screen. So everyone has got that screen? Okay,
Sir,
after
we are
getting that
still,
screen, you can...
sir, we are still seeing
Yes,
a
sorry.
whiteboard, sir.
Oh, let me. Okay, I can remove the whiteboard.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, you can all can see the screen. After searching CMD, you can click on open as run as administrator. After then, you can have this command prompt screen, and just go to the directory where the Selenium server jar file is available, and type the command java_jar, and whatever you have written, that is a jar file, that is Selenium server standalone 2.4.45.0.jar. So after click on java_jar, whatever the jar file you have got, upon running that command, you will see that a server has been started that is running at port number 4444. You all have got that to data screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you're all seeing the same log file, whatever it is written or different. Those who are getting different, just ping me.
Sir, I am getting different log file.
Which version? Which version have you?
It's 2.53.
Why are we
Sir,
have you downloaded the Google Drive link, whatever is there?
sir, I have downloaded. When I am extracting, it's showing file is broken.
Why
That's
it
why.
is showing file? Just download it again. Download it again.
Okay.
Because it will not work for the jar origins. Okay, those who have completed the server part, you can move to the Eclipse. Okay, now you can open the Eclipse platform and you have to create a new project. You can put the name of the project, whatever you want to do. In the case of JRE, you can select.
Sir, are you sharing something, sir?
Yes, screen is shared. Are you able to see the screen?
Prompt
We
is
can see
visible.
Sir, we are able to see command prompt only.
Okay. Now the Eclipse is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, after creating a new Java project, you can give the project name. And for the case of JRE, you can select an execution environment. I have used 1.8. You can put any version of the Java SE there, and that is dependent upon on your system configuration, because I have configured for JDK 1.8. So I'm using that one. And project layout, you can have to do anything. And for the working set, you can add project to the working set. And after completing this configuration, you can go to the next. Those having different Eclipse version, they may see different type of screen for the new Java project creation. So accordingly, make changes in that one, whatever you have done.
Sir, we have to open the Java perspective, right? In the Eclipse.
Java perspective. What you're doing actually? You
Sir,
go
it
to
is,
the file, seeing.
sir, when I'm creating the new project, in the end, if I click on the finish, it's asking for whether to open associative perspective.
You can click on that one.
So your voice is not audible, sir.
You can click on that one actually. Perspective will be fine. Or you can share the screen. Share the screenshot there in the meeting chat.
Sir, now I have clicked that, sir.
Okay. So you are able to get that screen whatever it is available. See, I've created a RC test example project, and there two things are there. One is SRC, and another is a GRE system library. So I are able to get these two things.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, then it will be fine, no problem. Okay, after getting this, you have to click on right click on the project, go to the build path, and there is an option. There is a configure build path option. Click on the build path option, and you will having a screen where the Java build path libraries section is opened. We are not able to see what. Screen is not visible, or what we're saying currently.
Sir, it's stopped somewhere, sir.
Okay, it's a stuck. Let me try. Okay, now the screen is visible.
Yes, sir, now it's visible.
Okay, click on the right click on the project, and after clicking right, go to the build path. There's an option name menu option configure build path.
Sir, this is one new project, or we have to select any project first? Means create one project then.
No. You have to create a new project. Yeah, you have to create a new project. After then you can do that.
Okay.
After clicking on configure build path, you will have properties section window, and get to the libraries menu, and there's an option now termed as add external jars.
So the option shows inactive for me. Do we need to do anything for that? That add
Inactivity.
external, it is not disabled, so I can't click on that.
All the options are disabled.
Yeah, only edit and remove options are there. Others all are disabled.
I think you have selected something within that one jar one.
So can you screen once?
Sorry.
Can you show once in your screen that option?
Options is visible. I have shared actually screen.
No, sir, it got stuck actually.
Not visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, is the option visible now or still unstuck?
Sir, we are at this GRE system library screen, sir.
Sir, you are not audible. Yeah. Okay, now you can see that I have selected 3 files in add external jar. So you have all downloaded a Google Drive folder.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, there are 3 files. Yeah, there are 3 files actually. Selenium Java 2.45 not jar, and one is srcs file, another is standalone file. So you have to select all these 3 jar files. Is the screen visible where I have selected all these 3?
Yes, sir. Visible, but what you click before means before selection this,
Okay.
selecting this.
Okay. Add external jars. Second one, second option from top.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So when the selections are made, just click on open. And after clicking on open, you can see that all these 3 jar files are available in the window, whatever you are seeing. First one is 2.45 not, next is srcs, and third one is the standalone. So all I've got to that point.
Yes, sir.
After when these 3 files are visible, click on apply first. After clicking on apply, you can again click on apply and close. After click on apply and close, you will see that in the project RC test example, in the reference libraries, there are 3 files. Those 3 jar files, whatever you have selected, that will be visible. It means that these jar files are properly added in the project and will be used throughout the whole project.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you click on SRC and right click there, and you have to create a new another class. You can put any name. Nothing will be there. Next one, the first character is capital. It's a tradition in the Java to create a class with the first character as the capital one. In the modifier, you can keep it public, no issue.
Sir, class has to be created inside a source file.
Yeah, SRC file, yeah, source file. And you have to use that stub, like public static void main. I think you are all aware with Java, so you should be knowing that main is the starting point of the Java program. Comments are not needed. You can skip it. This screen may vary actually because this window is for that proper Eclipse version. If the Eclipse version is changed, I think you may get a little bit extra or less information or selections. But make sure whatever I have selected, keep those parameters static in that one. Okay, should I finalize it? Okay, ping me whenever you all have got to demo.java or something xyz.java, whatever you have created .java file. Just should I proceed?
Yes, sir. Java class created, sir.
Okay. Okay, now you are able to see. Okay, there is a code written within. Just type this code actually. Okay, there is a code visible on the Notepad++. You can change your package name because it will be different for someone. Second and third line, that will be stagnant for all of you because it is importing a package. Fourth line, public class demo1. This class file will be different. Whatever you have created, replace demo1 with your class.
So would we have to import, sir?
Sorry.
The package names, what did you say? What to do with the package names?
Package name will be different actually. See, I have used different package actually.
So all that
See,
package is present in the library, means
no,
JRE.
no, this is not. No, this is not that package actually. See, for Java file I have created, my package name is RC test example. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes.
so just hover to your Eclipse file and .java file. You can see what is your package name there. Package is a collection of class actually in Java. So whatever the class you are creating, that's within a package.
But sir, in your Notepad++ code, one more package name was showing, na?
Yeah, that is different. Yeah. For different project I've created. That's not good for that one. Whatever it is.
Oh,
You can
this is
change your package.
yes.
Okay, you can change your package, whatever package.
This import one we have to do, or means this import thing is
No,
required.
yeah, importing is required.
Okay.
You can see that for second and third line, the import is of the Selenium file. You can see that com.hotworks.selenium.selenium, and you will be using the Selenium concept within that main function.
Okay, so only the commenting part you are saying that we have to put that package name, whatever we have created, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
you don't have to comment that. You just replace your package name with your ones.
Sir, in mine it is saying default Selenium is deprecated.
No problem. Yeah, it's represented on that. No problem. I'm just explaining the reason that's why we are using the depreciated one. We are not using the latest one. Just complete the RC part, then I will show you the logic behind that one. Okay. What is written for all of you? Just be a little bit quick because we have to complete Webdriver also today. Okay, I'm explaining what is inside the code. Whenever you're putting a code within the main function, there are two instances of class initialization. You're creating an object of the Selenium class. One is having the instance Selenium and another is having the name Selenium 1. We are passing some parameters within. The first parameter is the local host. It means whatever the browser in which the instances will be run, that will be at your own system. Next is the port number. This is the number at which your server is running. So actually it's a Selenium RC. It means it has having remote connection. So who is providing the connection? So you can see there's a server that is running in the command prompt and that is running at 127.0.0.1. So you all are aware this is the loopback address in the field of sorry. Oh. So this is the loopback address 127.0.0.1 and this is the port number. You can see follow after colon that there is a 4 number of fours, that is 4444. This is the port number. So accordingly you put your port number within that in the second parameter. What is the third parameter you are saying? In third parameter you can see that there is a asterisk mark. After the asterisk mark, Firefox is written. So it is representing the browser in which your whole code will run or simulated. And last one is the link. So which link you are trying to open. So line number 7 is just similar to line number 6. Only the difference left. We are creating a different instance and we are opening a different web page, that is gmail.com. So after these three, line number 6 and 7 is finalized, you are seeing that you are starting calling start function for the Selenium object. So it will just initiate everything and Selenium.open, that will open the browser, that is the Firefox. Next is the window maximize. Maximize window, it means that it is maximizing the window size of the Firefox and same process will be repeated for the Selenium one. So basically these three functionalities are happening: starting, opening and window maximizing. So whenever you run this script in the Eclipse, you will see the behavior like Firefox is open and the window is maximized, and you can see that this link is opened actually. So everyone has written the code. After that, open that Mozilla Firefox. Okay, I'm moving to the Eclipse part. Okay, after moving to the Eclipse part, you can just right click and you can click on run as Java application. So you have seen that Gmail is automatically opened and you can follow everything in the Eclipse.
So can you please show the code once again?
Sorry,
How
you
you
want to see the code again?
no, how you just executed the code.
Okay, over to your screen where the .java file is written. Just click on right click. Just do the right click here. There's an option termed as run as, and when you click on that, there is an option named Java application. Just click on that one. Okay, you can see that two windows has opened. And one window you are seeing that Selenium remote control version 2.45 not. One tab is open there. Another window is another tab is there. And you're seeing that I have used only a single part. Like I'm trying to open gmail.com. These things I have disabled because I'm trying to open a single one. The Firefox window, you are seeing that Gmail is properly open, no problem. But how can you confirm that whether code is successfully executed or not? So you can go to that tab, and you can see there is a command history. Like it is getting the title, it is setting the context, it is open, and then it is maximizing the window. So whatever commands we are trying to execute from our .java file, that is properly compiled and executed, and you can verify using the command history. And for further verification, you can see that you can go to the server, and you can see that in the last section got result, and you can see that OK is being written. It means that command is successfully executed. Like you can see that this command is sent through the server, then it has got OK result. Then again it has sent a command like for maximizing the window. Again is got the result from the Firefox that it's okay, I have opened it. Sorry, I have maximized the window. So whatever the commands you are sending to the Mozilla Firefox, when the profile is prepared, Firefox is launched, and whatever the commands are written, that is executed in batch concept, and you're getting a OK result. It means that that command is executed properly. So this is the basic concept of Selenium RC. It means you can use the Selenium RC, which acts as a server, which will connect with the Firefox and will do the executions according to the command whatever written in the .java file. But make sure that Mozilla Firefox version should be around 27, because I have tested on the recent versions. It's not properly working. And whenever everything is completed, I will explain you the reason. Someone is saying something?
So what we are trying to achieve here using the RC server?
See, what you're trying to achieve, I will explain you. See, in the Selenium ID, what you have done actually, you're getting a source file, .java file.
Sir, there only we are testing. Let's say I have made a website and I have to test some cases around it, so I can record that and perform that. What we
Yeah, and that is saved in the form of .java format.
yes, sir,
Those
we
test
can
cases
say. So what we
in
are
the form
doing
of
in
yeah.
this RC server?
Yeah. Like see, we are doing executing almost the same thing. In the case of Selenium ID, we are having an interface, graphical interface. So we are just clicking on the website and just rerunning it again and seeing whether the test cases are passed or not. But here what we are doing, so we are passing the same thing. We are doing that, we're passing the command. So you can see that I am passing the basically simple commands I'm trying that only to starting for opening and for maximizing the window. But there are so many commands that are available. Like those commands that are available in the original Selenium ID.java file, all those commands you can directly execute here. In the case of demo1.java I have created. Like you can pass a query also. You can open the google.com. You can pass a query. You can use the cursor function. So so many functions are available. You can directly use that, and you can see that whatever the test cases that are created by the help of Selenium IDE, you can automatically not you can manually write that in the .java file, and you can see that it's working. But the difference is that in that case, the server is the Mozilla Firefox is directly connected with the Selenium IDE. So there is no any concept of server there. But in our case of Selenium RC, there is a server that is acting as a mediator between the Mozilla Firefox and Eclipse. So that Selenium RC is used basically when we want to manually test the cases, or if you want to try it for automation, then you can go for the Selenium IDE. So both are basically same. Difference is only the server and automation of the work. Earlier, in the case of IDE, no server is required and automation is there. In the case of RC, automation is not required. You have to manually write the test cases in the .java file, and you need actually basically a server that acts as the mediator. So is the concept clear? What is the basic difference between IDE and RC?
Yes, sir.
So proceed to the WebDriver part. Okay. Before proceeding to the WebDriver, I will explain why I'm not using the earlier latter versions of that, and why Firefox, why not Chrome there also. So everyone is completed with the RC, or anyone left?
Hello, sir.
Hmm?
So can I share my screen? Means I am having some issues. Like my package is not as your package name. I am sending to all.
Package name you can change. I have asked you can change your package name. So whatever okay, you can share also. I'm stopping the screen sharing. Yes, yes.
Hello, sir.
Okay, what you are doing? Okay, your package name is Selenium. Fine.
Sir,
I
I
think.
got. Sir, here I am not having the same as your.
No problem. No, package name will be different actually. Okay, expand that one. Selenium project expand. Go to the left part of the screen. Yeah. Whatever is highlighted, Selenium is highlighted. Click on that one.
So which one,
Not
sir?
able to see. Selenium project.
Yes, sir. I have expanded it.
Wait. Okay. Okay, click on where the cross button is there. Import com.hotworks.selenium.
Actually, sir, it's hanging. 1 second, sir. Yes, sir. Now it's. Sir, what I have to do?
Okay, click on the. Go to the second line of the code.
Sir, here, sir.
Let's wait for a moment. Yeah, expand the second one. Second one is wrong actually. Okay, you're trying to fetch everything. Why it is showing cross? Go to that one.
Sir, my package name is totally different from your. Sir, here, sir.
Oh, package name is not the issue. Package name will be same. Package name will be Selenium. That's fine. Problem is with second line. The second line, see, you can see that there is a cross is showing. Or why are writing dots default Selenium? It's not needed. Okay, write that. No problem. And remove the asterisk at the last.
Yes, sir. Now it's decreased a little bit. Type.com, typecom.thoughtworks.
It's showing that it's not
Not
accessible actually.
accessible.
Problem is that
Yes, sir. The
Sir, the
problem with
server
jar file
server
maybe.
might not be open. The server might not be open, sir.
no. It's not with the server. I think your jar file is not properly uploaded. Remove all the. Go to the build path again. Selenium right click, project right click. Wait. What you have done? You have used another. Go to the code part. Cross that. Close that window. Yeah. See, after static void main string args, you are using a brace and another braces, two braces you have used. Remove one.
Sir, still it is there.
Oh, line number 7 you have removed. Line number 7 brace is there. I'm not able to see your cursor movement. Okay, 7 removed. Okay, fine. What is the error showing in line number 18? Save that. Save button is there. Left part top. Left top. Below
Sir,
the edit button.
same. Sir.
Yeah. Okay, fine. No, I'm not seeing that. Okay. Okay, what are the current errors that is showing?
Not accessible. Default Selenium not
Not
accessible.
accessible, it means your jar file is not properly uploaded.
Yes, sir. I am thinking the same, sir.
It means not accessible, it means jar file is not getting referenced properly. You have to remove all the jar files and put that everything again.
Sir,
Which
I
I
need.
think,
Sir, it is
yeah.
following from here. Downloads Selenium files means where I download it. It is following from
Okay,
there.
no problem. Okay, just go to the build path. Okay, but crossed it. Okay, select all Selenium Java dot jar srcs and standalone. Select all of them, all three. The last one
Remove.
is also selected. Remove that. Remove your last one is selected. Remove that.
Yes, sir.
I
Three, sir.
think DIV
Now
is
three.
selected.
Sir,
It's
now
okay.
three.
Three. Okay. Then remove that.
Removed, sir.
Okay, not able to follow the steps. Okay, it's fine now. It's visible. Okay. Okay. Just now add it again. Click on the module path. Yeah. Not external jar. Yeah. Select all of them. Open. Okay. Now click on apply. Apply. Not apply and close. Apply. Yeah. Wait for a minute. Yeah, now you can click on apply and close.
So maybe something happened to command prompt, sir, I think.
Command prompt. Your JRE version is SRE basic 14 years. What are your Eclipse version?
So 2020.
Save it. Save the project again. Okay, create a new within that SRC. Create a new file. Not that save it. Okay. Yeah. Go to the SRC and create a new class.
The
Type
name,
any
sir.
name. Whatever it is. No problem. Keep
Oh,
only first character capital.
yes, sir.
Oh, you are in hurry. You are not also create a static word when you have to write it manually. Just follow the steps because I think one will be skipped. It will be a problem for you. Not copy that. Try to write manually because I think there is some problem in resolving the import. Okay, we just create a file you have created. Okay, go to that one. All right, just try to import the package again. Import com dot thoughtworks. Yeah, it's now working. Yeah, thoughtworks dot selenium dot default selenium. Still showing the error cross is there or it's resolved?
Yes, sir. Cross is there. Type form not accessible.
Okay, again it is showing that it's not
I
accessible
think,
to
sir, there
you.
is some problem with jar file, sir.
But every one is working.
Sir, even I
Again,
am
means
also getting
Sorry,
error while running the code.
what error?
It's saying something error occurred during initialization of boot layer. ऐसा कुछ. Unable.
Just share the screen.
Okay, sir. So my screen is visible?
It's good for yeah, yeah. Your code is fine. While you're running, you're getting the problem. Yeah, but
Yes.
go to the command prompt.
Okay. I haven't shared the screen, so.
Okay, you have installed Mozilla Firefox.
Yes, sir. The
Open
latest.
that Mozilla Firefox. Not
Sir, do we
latest one.
have to
It's
comment down
20.
for one of
Yes,
the
sir. I
website?
mean the 27 one which you said that.
Okay, open the Mozilla Firefox browser first.
Sir, it's open
Not from
already.
there. You can show to me. Just show to me the window. So you have to verify whether what is that version number.
Sir, is it necessary to comment down for a single variable for first time?
No. I have done it arbitrarily. That's why you pointed. Okay. Keep that Firefox open. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Go to the code again. Eclipse. Took a right click. Just save that. I think you have not saved it till now.
Save now.
Okay. Right click. Run it.
It's showing here something deprecated.
So in the same error.
Uh, yeah, everything it is showing as deprecated.
Oh, no problem. No problem. Just run it.
Once again, but still the same error is there.
Okay. It's a boot layer error you are getting. Okay, create a new project. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Go to the user execution environment. JRE value. Where JRE value is written.
Hmm.
Yeah. You can put 1.8. Yeah. No. Yeah. Add. Yeah. Next. And just finish it. Okay. Add the package again there. Right click. Build path. Configure build path. Add external jars. Select all of this. Open it. Apply. Yeah. No. Okay.
New
Fine.
class.
Yeah. New class. Okay. Select that one method start. Oh, you're not selecting again. Always try to select main function. Okay. Write it manually. No problem. No problem. You can write it. Just copy the code from there. Test.java. Barring the package one. You can skip the first line.
Okay. Change it.
Remove the first sixth line. Package test name is not needed. Till top you can remove. Till top. First line, remove that. Even package is not mandatory. You can also skip. Okay, you have deleted the first one.
Yes, sir. This is the current package name.
Its public is written. See the line number 1. Okay. Class name is different. Change. Class name will be Selenium underscore test. Okay, save it. Okay, I think there's not any error. Go to the server. Go to the server. CMD. Where it is running.
Yes, sir.
Press Control C.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, restart the server again.
Okay, means I'll just close this and restart again.
Actually, log file will be there. That is showing that server has stopped. Info will be there. Is the server still running or stopped?
Yes, it's still running.
Stop that server. You can use Control C or X probably. Try Control C or Control X. It's a stop.
No, sir, nothing is happening here.
Okay, just close that CMD. Open the CMD again and just start a server again.
Sir, I need to redo the steps, right? Means what we did initially.
Yeah, you have to execute that. Java _ jar, whatever Java file is standalone file.
Okay, sir, then I will just do it and then let you know.
Yeah, just do that and keep the Mozilla Firefox open in the background and just run it again.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Bolo.
Sir, I am running this jar file on command prompt, but it is not running.
Share the window. Okay, share the screen. Okay. See, first you have to open with the command prompt that is not in admin mode. Open in admin mode first. And whatever I'm seeing. Okay, show me the folder where I stored that jar file. It's not showing accessible.
Visual.
This is the file. Okay, right click on any file. Yeah, properties. Okay, go to the location. See, you are seeing the location there. Copy the location part. The location will above size. Yeah, copy everything. Yeah. Okay, Control C. Copy it.
Copied.
Okay. Yeah, copy it. Copy the address. Okay. Go to the command prompt. Open the command prompt again. Right click command. Right click command. Click on the right click.
Yes, sir. Run as admin.
Yeah. Okay. Type CD.
Is it visible, sir?
Yeah, it's visible. Go to the command. It's visible. Type CD. Blank space. Control V. Paste. Paste whatever you have copied. Control V. It's not still copied. Yeah. Enter. Yeah. Not try to run the jar file. Java. It's okay. No problem. -jar.
Yes, sir.
Use the tab actually. When you click the tab, it will automatically suggest. No need to copy the name there. Click on tab.
Click on tab means what, sir? Means
Oh, go to the CMD again. Click on tab. On the keyboard, just click on tab button. Allow access.
okay,
Okay,
sir.
okay.
Okay. Is it?
Yeah. No. Click on again. Again. Click tab again.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Following,
Next
sir.
again tab.
Yes, sir.
Next tab. Click tab again because it's showing Java. That's something.
No, sir. In
Click
mine,
on
the
tab.
Java -jar, Selenium,
Oh,
Java.
click on tab. Click on tab again.
Yes, sir.
I think. Yeah, now click enter.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, my code is running now. I could do it.
Okay.
Sir, what was the error in that case? Means I just redid the things, no?
See, yeah, actually problem is that you are using the Java SE version that is not compatible within that one. So you have to use Java SE version that is within, I think 2 is something like 1.1.7 to 2.2. I think it is a range.
Okay, sir. Got it. Thank you.
Basically, I think this is the issue.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I will explain you what is the problem actually when not why I'm not using the higher version. So one more thing, I think in your assignment you have to try and show it to me. I can try for Chrome also. Uh, I'm not knowing which Chrome version it will work. You have to search on your own. Okay, this is the assignment you have to search for. Just make sure that when you're using the Chrome, you have to write asterisk Chrome there only. Nothing will be different. And for higher version, the problem is that whenever I'll be using the higher version, Chrome will just block it because for I think before 1.5 years, Google has actually abolished the use of Selenium RC. So people are not using Selenium RC, and it's been migrated to the Selenium WebDriver. So you can see that Selenium WebDriver is a combination of Selenium RC, or you can say Selenium 1, and some extra features are there that is making to the Selenium WebDriver, or you can say that it is Selenium 2. So I will just give the basics of WebDriver and we will go through that one. Sir has covered the basics of WebDriver. Hello, is the voice audible?
Yes, sir.
No, sir, or yes, sir. What is happening? It's
Sir,
covered or not?
this is audible, but
Okay. It's not covered till now. Okay. Okay, is the slide visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll just tap it soon. It's not so hectic. Okay. WebDriver is a combination of Selenium 1.0 and whatever WebDriver you will be studying till now. After the combining both of these, they have created another version of the Selenium that is 2.0. Selenium WebDriver was developed to better support those web pages that are of dynamic nature. You are knowing the basic difference between static and dynamic. For the static page, the page will not have so much of activity. It will just remain stagnant throughout the journey of the website or web page. Like Google, you can see that within a Google page, some animations are running, but that is just stagnant for the any number of users. When you are opening a Google, I think you're opening in India or any other country, you are seeing the same Google page throughout because that's type of little bit of a static page. But the web page on which you are buying something like Amazon, Flipkart, another buying websites or governmental websites like IRCTC. So these are dynamic web pages because their content are regularly shifting or changing. So what is the goal of the WebDriver? So WebDriver's goal is to supply a well-designated object-oriented API that provides improved support for modern advanced web app testing problems. It's a tool for automating web application testing, and whatever the API that is used in WebDriver, that's a friendly API, and you can easily explore that. So these are the installation steps of Selenium WebDriver. You have to just ensure that you have JDK installed in your system. Okay. Next, you have to that's just for JDK installation. Okay, JDK version generally comes bundled with JRE, so you have not to install the JRE separately. After the JDK and JRE issue is completed, and you can move to the installation of the Eclipse IDE. Actually, it's already done because everyone has got an IDE. Okay. Third step is downloading the Selenium Java client driver. So you have to download a driver from that location. And that download comes in the form of a zip file. Its name is selenium 2.25.not.zip. Okay, just you have to extract that. That's only for the project creation. So you are already aware of that. You have to just in the line number 14, you can see that you have to put a jar file. So whatever you have done, keep that jar file in the build path. So you can have a screen like that. Okay, after everything is finalized, you can go to the project and let's create a project. Okay, this is the code. After you will run the code, you will see that they are opening to try google.com. Yeah, they are trying to open that google.com driver.get. So a Google page will be opened. Okay, let us go through the installation steps again. Okay. For this purpose, Webdriver, you can use the Chrome. Actually, Chrome has got issue with the Selenium RC because Google has depreciated the use of Chrome for the recent versions of RC because it's not no longer maintained actually by Google. So they have merged the properties of the Selenium RC, and in spite of using the Selenium RC, they are using the Webdriver for that one. So Chrome driver will be sufficient. Chrome browser will be sufficient for running the Webdriver. So before that, before using that Chrome driver, you need something like you need the actually the location, or you can say that Chrome driver you need to use the web Selenium web. Okay, just go to the Google Chrome. And in the help about Google Chrome, check your version number. Everybody is following? Everybody has opened Google Chrome. Everybody has got that Google Chrome version number.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have to download the Chrome driver. So you're all aware of the importance of the driver. Driver is something which can drive the website. So whatever you are writing, like whatever JavaScript you are writing, or whatever PHP language in which the web page is designed. So how these are loaded actually? So there is a need of driver that is running in the background of the Google Chrome. So this driver is getting the syntax or the commands from the web page, and the driver is just executing the commands, and you are seeing the web page on your screen. So for using the Selenium WebDriver, we are needing a Chrome driver, and that should be matching with your Google Chrome number. So you have to download the Chrome driver. Search Chrome driver. Like, let's see, I have got my number that it's version. See, I've been redirected to a website where you can see that there are 3 options are available. If you have Chrome number 46, you can download this driver, and for 87, this is I think I have got 37. I'm using that one. So those are using the Google Chrome version 86. They can download that third one. Just download a driver first. This is a link you can follow. Go to the location shown in the notepad and download the appropriate Chrome version. Appropriate Chrome version driver you can download from there. Is there anyone who are getting a different Chrome version that is not available in the link whatever website?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, I've installed Chrome driver earlier also. So will that make a conflict with this version?
What is the current Chrome driver?
So current one is that complying with the current Chrome app.
Okay, if it is in compliance with the original Chrome, and then there is no problem. But make sure you know the location of the Chrome driver where it is available.
So that I don't know. So I should install it again. I think.
Okay. Then do it again.
Sir, which one should download means first, second, or third? Means second is mine only. Means what?
Download the second one. Download the
Sir, I
second one.
have second one.
This one, 87.0.4280.88.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, just click
8088.
on that one. Yeah, you click on that one. And okay. Within that, options are there. If you're using the Mac OS, then you can go for the second one. First is for the Linux, and third is for the Windows. Download the third one. I think you're using Windows. For Windows operating system, you can go to the third one.
But sir, my Chrome version is second one.
Oh, your Chrome version is second, okay? What
Yes.
is the Chrome number? Chrome drive.
Yes, sir.
87.
87.0.428088.
Okay, just click on the. You are seeing my screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go to the second, click on second one, second link, please download.
I clicked, sir.
Okay, now you can go to the third one, Chrome driver underscore Win32.
Yes, sir. Win30 to 5.18 MB.
Yeah, 5.18 MB. Yeah, exactly the same. Download it and keep it in a location where it is accessible or you are aware of the path.
Read
Just keep in desktop or downloads. Sorry. You can shut down the server, Selenium RC server. It's not needed now. Okay, after getting that Webdriver, just write the code you are seeing on the screen. That is a Chrome browser.java. Just create a different project for that one. And in the reference library, you have not to add everything. Just add one file only, .jar file. You can stop the server. It's not written in the command prompt. You can just refer to the library because in that jar file, whenever you will see, there are so many packages that are required for running the project, for running the WebDriver. So these are available within. So you will just keep it in the build path or in the reference library. Code will be just similar to whatever you see. And you can follow the same step like run a Java application. So one minor change, you have to keep the server on. It's not contacting.
Sir, we have to add another jar file in this project.
Yeah, same jar file, standalone server.
Okay, sir. Sir, can you please show the code, sir?
Okay.
Sir, your screen can't see anything.
Let me see.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Sir, it would be better if you share the code, sir, so that in class we can.
Okay. You have got that PPT. Hello.
Yes, sir, we have that PPT, sir. Yes, sir, we
Yeah,
have that
and
PPT.
within that PPT, okay, within that PPT, Firefox is there. Firefox code is there. If you want to try with Google Chrome, you can use that code. Or I will share the file with you all.
Sir, we have another class now, sir.
Okay. Okay, then we will finalize it. You have all got that code? Okay, I will share it, no problem. I will share the code. An assignment, I will mail after around 30 to 35 minutes. I will mail it. ID assignment, everyone has submitted? Okay, then we will wrap up the class. Okay, that's it for today. Selenium Margin Webdriver is completed. We will upload the assignment in the Microsoft team.